Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is my favorite trade of the week. It is the euro over the US dollar. But just before I start today's video, just a quick one for all the Twitter fans out there. We have now joined Twitter. Here is a picture of our Twitter page. Go and give us a follow. We will be posting from today onwards daily updates, news updates, and most important of all, our daily videos that we post here on YouTube. We'll also be posting out on Twitter as well. So very beneficial for you to go and follow us, free of charge. So it is a no-brainer. But back to the euro US dollar. Today we have finally achieved the 1.22 area. This is an area where I've been targeting dating back to mid-March. Even when we broke below the 200-day EMA, I still advised all my YouTube viewers and Signal clients that I was bullish here on the euro US dollar chart, and that I did have a price target up at 1.24, 1.25 and short-term 1.22, and this goes to show why the Fed and the US government have killed the demand for the US dollar with all these fiscal and monetary policies. As well as that, we've had a significant amount of stimulus aid offered to individuals and businesses in the US, and which of course has resulted in a significant amount of printing of US dollars. Now, supply and demand economics 101. This should mean that the euro should rally against the dollar, and that's exactly what has happened. You know, we had that massive second stimulus deal announced by the Joe Biden administration, and since then we have seen the euro US dollar skyrocket towards the sky. We broke above the 50-day EMA. That was a massive buy signal. Most important of all, we broke above 1.20, and that kind of confirmed the move for me that the euro US dollar was going to go and trade up towards 1.22. We broke above 1.21, and then that was when I also said, you know, buy now before we go towards 1.22. And today we finally reached up towards the stars and achieved that 1.22 area. The important question now is, where do we go from here? Well, I'm actually anticipating for a pullback. Previous trading sessions, we hit 1.22 and we did pull back. So I think we could pull back down towards 1.21. 1.21 would be an area where I would be willing to buy the euro US dollar on the dip and trade it back up towards 1.22. But I think ultimately we go up towards 1.23. And if we can break above the January highs here in the euro US dollar, which was of course the 18-month highs, I would see a move up towards 1.24 and 1.25, which were my end of the year targets. However, we could potentially even, you know, slice through those end of the year targets here in the euro US dollar, considering the fact we're only about 200 to 300 pips trading below them. So I'm very bullish here for the euro US dollar. Short term though, I'm going to be patient, wait for that pullback, buy the dip and trade it up towards 1.22 and eventually 1.23. But massive congratulations to all my YouTube viewers and Signal clients who have profited alongside me on this one.